For this demo, we've already authenticated with Square, so we're just going to go straight ahead and start scanning the room. So what will happen here is it will scan for different features, such as the windows, the walls, and the furniture. And using machine learning, it can categorize those different elements, such as a lounge or a table, and we can filter that down to only include just the tables, the windows, and the walls. So you can see here it's doing a pretty good job of picking up those different features. And it's also important to keep those windows so users can make sure that they're picking, the nice window seat. So I've already created three tables in the Square Appointments section of the dashboard, but in this scan, we've just got the two. So we'll just apply those two tables now. And so we're using hit testing here to detect that we've tapped on a table node in this 3D model. And then, yeah, you can always tap again to unassign the table in case you've made a mistake. In the client app, we can now interact with that model to check out where the windows are, tap on the table to view information such as the table name, the booking duration, and we can also slide through time. And as that enters into the PM, that will be represented on the model with a change in lighting. And availability is also represented by the colors, where yellow means it's available, red means that it's unavailable, and green just highlights your selected table. There's also the feature that I put in called Test Drive, which allows you to view a 360 photo of the perspective from that table, just to check out and see, that you're happy with that location. So I think we may as well just go ahead and book this table for 3 p.m. So we'll just go through and just chuck in our contact information, and we'll put in a booking note there for a birthday party. So now that we've booked that time, when we go back and recheck the availability, we'll see that the table will be highlighted in red for the time slots which it's now unavailable for. There'll be several time slots blocked out because the duration was for 60 minutes. So, half an hour before, half an hour after will also not be included. And of course, the user can change their date as well in case they would like to book for a date in the future. So in our Square Appointments app, we can see that the booking has been registered. We've got the birthday party note. And if we go ahead and cancel that and return to the app, we'll notice that the availability has now gone back to yellow because we've canceled that appointment. The setup involved was to create staff members for each of the tables, create a service with a variation representing each table with a category ID of table underscore booking. That's important. And then just assign the correct staff to those variations.